G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's product review time and today I'm going to be trying this product right here. It's the Tegel Take Out's Extra Crunchy Chicken Burgers. Oh, can't wait to see how crunchy they are. And by the way, I will be making a chicken burger with these, so stay tuned for that recipe. But down the bottom it says Extra Crunchy Chicken Burgers. I am wondering how much chicken is actually in this. Well, let's find out. Well, the ingredients: chicken 54%. It's got breadcrumbs, flour, yeast, emulsifiers, mineral salts, oh yeah, herbs and spices, dehydrated garlic, crikey. And basically that's what it tells you. It doesn't have any more percentages other than the 54% chicken, which means it's 46% something else. Now, if they taste any good, it says the energy is 894 kilojoules per serving. Well, that means you could have 9 or 10 pieces of this chicken every day and still have a body like the old Gregor. It's about 13% protein, 13% fat, 14% carbs, and sodium. Who cares? You're always going to be adding extra sodium anyway. Anyway, how about we crack it out, open out of the bag, suss them out and see what they're like. And by the way, this bag weighs 550 grams and it'll cost you about $13. So you'll definitely want to wait until it's on special before you go and buy some. Anyway, how about we see how many you get in the bag for starters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Well, this piece looks nice and crunchy on top. Alright, so cooking instructions, ready in 20 minutes. You can either cook it in the oven, cook in preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until cooked through. Or you can cook them in the air fryer. Place the frozen burgers in the air fryer basket in a single layer and fry for 15 to 17 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or until cooked through. Alrighty, well, I'll stick a couple of these in. And we need to cook them for about 160 degrees Celsius for 16 to 17 minutes or whatever it was. I'll just leave it at 16 for now and come back later when the alarm goes off. And while that's cooking, let's start preparing for the burger I'm going to be making today. I might start off with the sauce. So into a bowl, I'm going to add some mayonnaise, enough for the top and the bottom. That should be enough. And I've got a bit of honey here. It's the smallest jar of honey in the world, by the way. And the lid's stuck. Oh, finally. All right, so I'm going to pour just maybe a teaspoon of that in. Could be a very slow process. Yep. All right, that's enough. With an equal amount of chili sauce. Right, that's probably too much. And we also need some freshly squeezed lime juice. So I'll just put a little tiny bit of that in. That should be enough. And we can mix that together. Looking good. All right, and also just need to cut a few slices of cheese. Now, if you got cheese slices, that'll make this a whole lot easier. But a few nice, fairly thin or thick, depending how much you like your cheese, slices of that. And also, just a few slices of onion. I like my onion pretty thick. And I also want to toast my bread roll, just a little bit. So I'll cut that in half and load it with butter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, is that enough? No, of course it isn't. needs way more. Yeah, delicious. And what I want to do is toast these buns. I'll just chuck them in there. Oh, yeah, they look to be going all right, but I'll just stick it in there on top and just give it a few minutes until that butter's nicely melted. All right, well, how are these bread rolls going? I'll just check. Oh, yeah. Oh, a bit toasty and melted. They're looking good. Put the chicken back in. And let me just start preparing this burger. So on the bottom, I'll add a bit of sauce there. Oh, yeah. And I'll add the cheese. Right, well, that's about all the preparation I can do right now because I've got to wait for that chicken to cook. All right, well, the timer's gone off. Oh, I can hear some sizzling there and they're looking all right. I've just... I think they're cooked. Who knows? Well, while this is still piping hot, let me stick it on the burger there so it starts sort of helping melt that. And what I do want to do is try this burger right here. Oh, nice and juicy. The fork slid in very easily. Well, that piece of chicken's looking nice. It's pretty thick. And the coating, well, that's looking pretty good too. And it's got a sort of a waffly sort of smell about it. All right, well, how about we start off by trying some of this Takeout's chicken. Well, it's supposed to be super crunchy, but it's more like super soggy. The batter on the outside tastes all right, but it's no KFC, but it's not too bad. And the chicken in the middle looks super processed. Tastes all right. It'll probably be good on this burger. But let's finish this burger off. Now I want to get this onion and put it over. Now I do love the taste, flavour and crunch of onion on a burger. It's kind of like the butter of the vegetable family. It's just something you just got to have tons of. Next I'll add some lettuce, except who likes lettuce? Not me. I love the peppery, bitter, sweet, delicious flavour of rocket. Oh, I love this stuff. It's so tasty. And then I just need to finish it off with some mayo on the top bun. And then this just goes on top. And there we have it. A Takeout's chicken sandwich with a mayo, honey, chili sauce, lime juice sauce on it. All right, well, it's time to give this a go. Oh yeah. Come at me, bro. Oh. Mate. That little subtle hint of honey in there really adds a delicious flavour to this. Not really getting too much of the chili. Could have added more of that, but I'm definitely getting butter on that bun. And the flavour of this is top shelf. Oh yeah. That is good. Well, there you go, the Tegel Take Out's not too bad. I mean, I wouldn't be paying $13 for them, but if they're on special, yeah, I'd get them again. They're pretty good and they do make a pretty nice tasting burger. Well, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook up a chicken burger. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the